Hi, welcome back to Mini Medi. Today I'd like to talk a little bit more about the gratitude jars, and I highly recommend that you make one or you implore your family to sit down and have it as a project. You could have a family gratitude jar or help your children to make a gratitude jar. It's actually a lot of fun to decorate it and make it pretty. Although we all know you could just simply use a jar, and that could be your gratitude jar. But let's face it, it is fun to get some crafts and to make your own and make it yours. So here's just a quick example adding on to my other video that I did. So we have a Hobby Lobby. You could probably go to a Joann Fabrics or Michael's store, craft stores, and get whatever you want. Crosses. I use a mason jar. I just like mason jars. This is actually a hair tie. You could use ribbons. I like butterflies, hearts, crosses. This says faith. So it's just stickers. Walk with faith, excuse me. Flowers, if you like flowers, you could get anything. They have every animal if you want in your gratitude jar. This says gratitude. I just stuck those on. You could put your name on it, and you could put a topper on it if you have this type of lid. Love. This says ball, perfect mason, so I just added words like perfect, love, and this says ball, so I put like heart ball, like it's always a heartfelt ball. We all like to go to the balls and wear our formal wear. So this is just an example to make it your own. You could put your name on it. I use this gold pen, so you could just write your name on it, or gratitude jar, whatever you want. You could draw designs, make it your own, have fun, and make as many and as you'd like for yourself, for your family, and definitely for your friends. A lot of people that you probably know. I know a lot of people right now going through some serious hardships and grief. So you could give them this as a gift, and that would be just a lovely gift. So we're just going to actually discuss grief, and we all have to face grief and experience grief, and we're just going to do a quick guided meditation. That dinging is probably going to persist, and I'm just going to go with the flow of that today. So we all know it hurts when we have to let a loved one go, or a lot of people I know are going through that change, having loss of a parent, loss of a beloved pet, loss of a child, and there's stages of grief, and we all deal with grief different. I personally don't always do grief well, so it's good for me to actually have this as well. And even all the animals right now that are dying in Australia, I cry. And I could cry right now thinking about it. It hurts me so much that it's like I feel like the choices we've made have had a lot of what we do to the environment, because I definitely like to take care of the environment, and I understand that even the earth has a lifespan, but I also believe that we can take care of the health of the earth and help it to live longer. And I really hope that people come together or start really opening their eyes and having awakenings and gaining enough awareness to start healing the earth, and that we can hopefully, I have to keep the hope in my heart and my mind that we can turn that around, and we don't continue on the path that we're on with that. That would, if we did that, that would mean more of this type of thing will happen, and millions of animals and then humans, of course, will start to perish, because a lot of people are turning a blind eye to healing our planet, our earth, and just living for the now moment is not a good thing, and people are greedy and just want to get theirs and make money, and they at what cost, it doesn't matter to some people. Some people sell whatever to make money, products that are killing people. It could be cigarettes, e-cigarettes, just all these things they know are dangerous, and people are buying them or thinking it's okay. So I guess I hope that everyone can just educate themselves and know that everything that you do today does make a difference. So we, by our choices, are either helping or hurting each other, helping or hurting animals, helping or hurting the planet. So please just make one simple change. If you are part of the problem, be part of the solution for the future generations, because we do want, I'm sure you want your children to have children, to have children, to have children, and to have the beauty that you and me have been so blessed to see and to view. So that is really what my hope is for 2020, that more and more people will wake up and be responsible. And we're just going to do a quick meditation on grief. So if you just hold your hands out and take 3 deep breaths. I know the value of staying in the moment and living in the moment. That is when I have the most peace of mind, and I am the most happy when I live in the moment. I also am open to whatever comes to me today as life unfolds, to make wise choices. This is what I ask, and I know the universe definitely supports me in making wise decisions, and I will make wise decisions, and I will teach younger generations to make wise decisions. So my mind is open, and I just listen to my gut instincts. And when I make choices that have to do with the environment or my health or environmental health, I definitely will ask a higher power, and I will be guided by whatever information and wisdom that I receive in my quiet times. And when I'm going through grief, I understand that it will pass and I will feel better. And it is part of life, is to help each other go through tough times of grieving for loss. And it can be so emotionally draining and tiresome, and just my heart breaks easily, so I know the pain of loss and even rejection or anything that makes you feel grief or loss. I understand the pain of that, and please reach out to people who care about you and just face whatever is coming your way, and don't run from it, and lean on other people's strength when you feel like you are crumbling, and know that all is well, and there will be a light at the end of that turmoil, and you will feel joy again, and that you are okay, and you can just place yourself in the loving arms. Imagine that you are in the loving arms of someone who loves you, or an angel, or just the energy of love, whatever works for you, or whatever you have that shows up in your life. You know what you need, and we are all very different in what we need at these times. So just reach out for that loving energy in whatever way that you possibly can, and at the time that it's happening. And with that, just know that you're okay and safe, and just feel the warmth of that power of love right here and now. And take a deep breath. Inhale. Feel the safety of the inhale. And exhale any troubling thoughts or worry. And open your eyes and just say, I claim faith. I claim healing, warmth, and love, and I know that I am well, I am okay, and there's always light even in the shadows or emotional turmoil, that I am okay, and I will come out the other side, and I am safe, and I definitely trust that all is in divine order, and I am always just given the opportunity to rest and relax in this assurance that all truly is well. And even in the times I don't see it, all is well in my life and yours, even if you don't sense it in your peace of mind at the moment. It's always there. The lens is just out of focus at the moment. And it's always good that we have the feeling of grief. It means we really cared about something or someone or something. And it helps to inspire and give us fire to nourish and help the cause, and to turn things around, and to heal each other, heal the planet, heal our own hearts, or heal our mind or body, whatever the case may be. With that, I just say I'm grateful for you, and you have a beautiful day. If you have any trouble with grief or depression, please contact me at minimedi333 and at gmail.com. And welcome to my new subscribers. Hit the subscribe button if you are not a subscriber yet. And let me know if there's any topics that you would like to talk about, and I'd be more than happy to share that with you or learn about it, because that's always really cool for me. And I will see you later, and remember to count your blessings. Thank you.